The wait is nearly over. DJI's highly anticipated Mavic 4 Pro is officially set to launch on April 24th, 2025. This time, the leaks are coming from solid sources, not just unverified online rumors. Unlike the early speculation from unknown insiders, we now have reliable details confirming major upgrades in design, camera technology, battery life, and charging speed. DJI is making big moves with a triple camera system, a revolutionary 360-degree gimbal, and extended flight time. But what's sparking the most discussion? Pricing and availability, particularly for US buyers who might run into customs issues. Let's dive into what we know so far. According to leaks from Jasper Ellens and DroneXL, the Mavic 4 Pro will feature a 3-camera setup with 28mm, 70mm, and 168mm focal lengths, giving pilots better zoom capabilities and greater versatility for both photography and videography. Another major upgrade is 6K video recording, made possible by a larger sensor than the one found in the Mavic 3 Pro. While DJI has yet to confirm the exact sensor size, it's clear they're aiming for a significant boost in image quality. A surprise addition? Electronic ND filters. Instead of manually swapping ND filters, users can adjust exposure settings digitally, making it easier to capture great footage in changing light conditions. One of the most exciting leaks is the new 360-degree rotating gimbal, which promises smoother motion, enhanced wind resistance, and true vertical video recording, a huge plus for content creators. Battery life is also improving, with an estimated 52-minute flight time. In real-world use, we're likely looking at 45 to 48 minutes, but that's still an upgrade from the Mavic 3 Pro's 46-minute rating. DJI is also ramping up charging speed. The drone is expected to support a 240-watt charger, allowing users to fully charge 3 batteries in just 90 minutes, a game-changer for those who need long flight sessions. It's not just the drone getting an upgrade. DJI is also rolling out a new RC Pro 2 controller. This refreshed version will feature a 7-inch tilting touchscreen for better usability and improved brightness for outdoor viewing. This premium controller is expected to be bundled in the high-end Creator Combo, providing professionals with an ergonomic, feature-rich experience. So, how much will the Mavic 4 Pro cost? Here's the expected pricing. Standard Mavic 4 Pro with RC2 controller, $2,250. Fly More Combo includes extra accessories and batteries, $3,200. 512 GB Creator Combo includes DJI RC Pro 2 controller for $1,400. With these prices, the Mavic 4 Pro is competing with high-end cinema drones, positioning itself as a serious tool for professionals. Leaks aren't just coming from insiders. TikTok has unexpectedly become a source of Mavic 4 Pro leaks. Thanks to Maro Tandoy, we've seen alleged sample images showcasing sharpness and excellent dynamic range. Meanwhile, another leaker, claims the Mavic 4 Pro will feature 24 times zoom capabilities. The big question is, how much of that is optical zoom versus digital cropping? While early footage looks promising, we'll need real-world tests to confirm just how effective the zoom is. FCC filings in China also confirm that the Mavic 4 Pro will support 100-watt and 240-watt charging, making it one of DJI's fastest-charging drones ever. The new parallel charging hub will let users charge multiple batteries at once, further enhancing efficiency for professional pilots. With the launch just weeks away, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most advanced consumer drones yet. From its triple camera system and 360-degree gimbal to extended flight time and faster charging, this is a major step up from the Mavic 3 Pro. What's your take? Are these upgrades worth the price? Or is DJI pushing the cost too high? Drop your thoughts in the comments.